Good morning children. How are you all? I hope you all are fine. So children, today is our English class, okay, and this is your literacy book. So open page number 58, 58. So let's revisit, okay. So you have to write the letter from A to G, okay. So we have already done A to G, okay. So let's revise it again. So first of all, I will show you flashcards, okay. So let's revise A to G. This is A, and the sound of A is A. Ant, okay. Ant. Okay, now next letter is B, and the sound of B is B. Basket. Basket. Okay, next letter is C. The sound of C is K. Cat. Cat. Okay. Now next letter is D, and the sound of D is D. Drum. Drum. Okay. Next letter is E, and the sound of E is A. Elephant. Elephant. Now next letter is F. The sound of F is frog. Frog. Okay. Now next letter is G. Letter G. The sound of G is G. Girl. Girl. So take your literacy book on page number 58. Okay. So put the date over here. So tell me children, what is the date today? Today is 13/1/13.8. 8 means August. Which month is going on? August. 21 means 2021. Okay. And what is the day today? Today is Friday. Today is Friday. So let's start. So first of all you have to write a small a. How to write? Okay, you have to make a curve and a standing line. Okay, you have to write in two blue lines. Okay, between two blue lines. आपको ये blue lines के बीच में ही small a लिखना है. ऐसे ही यहाँ लिखेंगे like this. Okay, then you have to write capital A. Capital A means uppercase A. Okay, like this. Okay, one more time. Like this. Okay, now next letter is B. So this is lowercase b, small b. So you have to write like this. Okay, one more time. Yes, good. Now this is capital B, means uppercase B. So you have to write capital B like this. Okay, one more time. Like this. Okay, now next letter is D, and this is a small d. Oh sorry, C. Okay, C. I am so sorry children. C. So this is C. Capital C. One more time. C. This is small c, and you have to write small c in between two blue lines. Okay, and this is capital C, means uppercase C. One more time, like this. Okay, and this is D, letter D in small. Okay, this is small d, lowercase d. Okay, and write one more time like this. Okay, and this is capital D, capital D. One more time like this. Okay, so you have to complete this work. Okay, and now next letter is small e. So this is small e, so you have to write like this. Okay, like this. Okay, and this is capital E. So you have to write like this. Make a standing line, sleeping line, then one more sleeping line. Okay, capital E. Now next letter is F, small f, like this. You have to make like this. Okay, F, small f, and this is capital F. So you have to write like this. One more time. Okay, now next letter is G. So this is small g, small g, and this is capital G. Okay, so children, you have to make letter G like this. Okay, so this is not correct. Okay, this is not correct. Okay, not correct. You have to write like this. Okay, like this. This is letter G. This is the correct formation. Okay, children, so you have to do this page number 58 and 59 in your literacy book, and then you have to write A to G in your English notebook. Okay, आपको A to G आपने कर लिया है, तो आज हम रिविजन कर रहे हैं ना, so you have to write A to G letter. So like this, A, you have to write in sequence. Okay, B, C, D, E, F and G. Okay, children, so this is your work for today. You have to do page number 58 and 59 in your literacy book and write letter A to G in your English notebook. So you have to write 2 times. Okay, you have to write 2 times. आपको 2 बार यहाँ लिखना है. मैम ने अभी यहाँ 1 टाइम लिखा है, आपको 2 टाइम्स लिखना है. Okay, okay children, so do this work and share with me. You can share on Sunday evening. Okay, so bye bye and take care. Have a nice day.